Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 12th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So I still am looking at this as a WXY on the monthly. It looks like 3 waves up, 3 waves down. I think this is an ABC, which an ABC should be a wave W. It should be 3 waves up for a wave W. I think it's very likely to eventually go up and take out these highs. Probably end up all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels to make this wave C of wave Y. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think that this is the end of a correction right here. I think this is a WXY of B. I think that this is like a 1 of C. I think this is likely to be a 2 of C. I think there's a very good odds that this is going to continue up for that wave 3 of wave C, eventually making a 3, a 4, and a wave 5. Basically just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, it looks like this first push up is a nice 5-way pattern, wave 1. I still think this looks like a complete correction, like a wave 2. Most likely, I think this is a 1. Nice break of structure to the upside, corrective down, wave 2. I think this is a wave 3, and that we're actually just in the middle of a wave 3. This is probably like a subdivision 1, 2, and then it just keeps on going up in a wave 3. So, taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame, one thing we do have to realize is we have CPI news coming out today for the US dollar, and then next week on Wednesday, March 20th, we have interest rate news for the dollar. So, it's going to be an interesting couple of weeks to see if this wave 3 still holds or not. I mean, to me, looking at the US dollar index, the US dollar index really does look like it needs to push down again, which most likely will cause this to push up again. So, I definitely am looking for longs still. The higher time frames have definitely given me no reason to think this will not continue up. The US dollar index definitely looks like it wants to continue down, telling me that I definitely want to continue to look for longs in an uptrend until the higher time frames prove me otherwise. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think there might be a chance that it might push down a little bit prior to the news, maybe make more of a proper looking ABC correction. But if it goes down to one of these fib levels and then right before the news looks like this or like this, then I would actually take it as a long, because I think there's a very good likelihood that this may just be a subdivision of a much bigger uptrend, and that we are in the middle of a wave 3 unlike the weekly, monthly, and even daily. If it really is in the middle of a wave 3 on those roadmap timeframes, then on these shorter timeframes, I will be doing nothing until the higher timeframes tell me otherwise, except for looking for longs at the end of every single pullback that I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.